if you saw our previous video, you might have saw that Mr. Nuts and Mr. Stripes were caught in a branch. You might have thought, oh no, so devastating! But luckily, while we were gone, Mr. Rory saved the day. Yay, Mr. Rory!
Yay for Mr. Rory! He's a jolly good fellow. Okay. So, to celebrate, we're gonna go on a nature walk. Okay, let's go, everybody. It's such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh, dude, can you hear that? I think there's something out there. Oh my gosh, I think we should run. Oh, Mr. Pterodactyl, everybody run!
I'm pulling all of them hostage.
No!
To be continued.
Dun, dun, dun.